Hi folks, I'm Scott James with Blue Water Yacht Sales. Today we're on a 2022 Back Cove 340. Beautiful boat. The name of this boat is Sea Trials. It's powered by twin 350 horse Suzuki 4-stroke motors. About 155 hours on these motors. We do have transferable Suzuki engine warranty. Loads of options on this boat. Cockpit sure shade, upgraded cockpit upholstery with custom upholstery covers for that cockpit. There is also the additional helm table is included as well. All right, the helm table is located in a storage socket that's under this floor. Also down there you'll find the SeaKeeper. This boat has a SeaKeeper 3. The controller for that is right here. We have the upgraded generator. We've got the upgraded HVAC system, so we have HVAC here at the helm. We've got a custom back drop curtain, as well as custom side and front mesh windshield covers. Electronics display, we've got one giant Garmin screen, big MFD. I currently have it on bottom machine here, autopilot's at the top, and I've got chart plotter with radar overlay right there. Also, while we're here looking at the helm, we've also got Optimus 360 joystick. That's for docking, and it also works for position hold as well as side power bow thruster. While we're here, we're looking at zip wake automatic trim tabs. So we've got Fusion stereo system. I can run that through the Garmin MFD, really nice. 3 wipers with washer all the way across. And we're in the Hampton Roads Harbor today, really windy day. It's blowing out of the northeast about 20 or 25 knots. And I want you to notice we do not have a speck of water on the dash, and we've been running. We shot some drone video. So this boat, and I'll show you here, but what happens is this boat runs extremely flat and gets up to speed very nice and quick. So just gonna pop up. We're gonna get up to about 4,500 RPM. So there we go. It's right around about 4,300 or so. So 4,300. You'll see it's right at 26 miles per hour, and we're getting 1.1 miles a gallon. And that's really typically throughout the RPM range at cruise, you're going to get a little better than a mile a gallon on this boat. Again, runs very flat. Obviously, I'm standing right now, but I'm going to hop up in the helm seat. Extremely comfortable helm chair. We've got folding armrest. The seat will adjust up and back, as well as it'll also the backrest will tilt. So anyway, very, very nice layout. Up here you'll see full U-shaped seating area that converts into a sleeper. The sleeper cushion is stored down below the helm deck here, where the SeaKeeper is. The ClearLine Electrosea Sea Strainer is there. That treats the HVAC, the raw water that comes in goes through your HVAC units. Treats that before it goes through the system. There's the optional filler cushion and backrest for the cockpit is there. We've got an electric windshield vent right here for the front that, instead of being manual, that's electric. This boat was built pretty much with every option that we could get. White hull, custom navy blue boot stripe, full bottom paint job. Another thing to notice here too is that when we get back to the dock and we turn the motors off, trim them up, the entire motor comes out of the water. So you don't have a piece of the lower unit that's in the water like you do on a lot of boats. So great single state room, heads on one side, showers on the other. All right, so your cabinetry is all American cherry. Very nice cabinetry. If we look, we've got the cherry accents overhead, cherry handrails, handrails over here. So let's talk about safety a little bit. Very, very wide side decks and flat side decks, molded in steps on both sides up to the side deck, and then everything's nice and flat. Big beefy bow rail, comes all the way back to where you go into the cockpit. Handrails up here. So very, very safe boat. So again, so we're running along at about 26 miles an hour. We're turning 4,300. This boat will run up in the mid 40 mile an hour range. So very nice running boat. Again, 2022 340 Back Cove. Name of the boat is Sea Trials. For Blue Water Yacht Sales, I'm Scott James. You reach me at 757-570-3944 or sjames@bwys.com. Thank you for your time.